Hi guys, today I'm going to be finishing up a little bit of Christmas decorating. I'm going to decorate this mantle right here. If you guys missed one of my recent videos from a couple days ago, I showed this whole entire transformation with these bookshelves. We actually didn't even have these here. We didn't even have a mantle, nothing. Just the other day, I put just like a bunch of things that I already had on the shelves. So I'm probably still going to do an entire different video of decorating these shelves. Right now there's like no method to what I did. I just kind of like threw a bunch of stuff up there so it wasn't completely empty right now. Today I'm mainly just going to focus on decorating the mantle for Christmas. I have a couple things, but now that I was looking at some of my stuff earlier, it might end up being more simple than I originally thought it was going to be. We are going to be putting a TV up here, and we're just waiting for the frame TV to go on sale. So many of you were telling me in that renovation video that we did about this that we need to get the frame TV. So we heard that it's gonna go on sale again before Christmas, hopefully. So we're gonna wait till it goes on sale and maybe get that here. So I don't wanna put anything too tall right here in case we do end up getting the TV and mounting that here. So I'm pretty much just going to decorate like right across here. So hope you guys enjoy. I have a couple other things that I might get out and decorate too to kind of finish up some things so I can do my Christmas house tour, but let's go ahead and get started. Right over here has actually been like my Christmas decoration station this whole entire season. Anything that I've bought, anything that I've brought up from downstairs that I haven't put in a spot yet, like from my Christmas decor from the past years, I've just literally put in this corner. So anytime I'm about to decorate something, I just like go through this corner and see what I still have left to put in places. This right here is the garland that I bought from Target. I think I'm actually going to start decorating this, and I'm not even kidding you guys. I woke up in the middle of the night in a panic. Where am I supposed to plug that garland in? I was racking my brain about this in the middle of the night last night. Came down this morning, realized it was battery operated. Thank goodness. Praise Jesus. So I've got to fluff this, get this up. Now that I've got this garland fluffed, Joshua put some batteries in it for me, and I'm just so happy that it's battery operated. I'm going to put this up next, and this is also from Target. So much of the stuff I got this year is from Target. I just think they have such nice Christmas stuff. But this is our little stocking holder, and this is literally like the perfect length garland. The only problem, guys, with the flocked stuff, it just sheds everywhere. So like once it's in place, you really can't touch it too much. The other day I also got this. I just thought it was fun. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to like hang it in the front like that, or if I want to put it in here. What do you think?
Ooh, I like that.
You do?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't really like it.
Yeah, I don't either.
Another thing I do have, I got those picks from JCPenney that I was telling you guys about. These ones right here, I was going to use them on my flocked tree, and it didn't end up working out. I didn't like the way it looked, so I do have these. I could stick these in. I don't think I like that either. At the same time, I'm feeling like the tree behind Joshua is very colorful and loud. So originally I was thinking I was going to have to do like a lot of color in here, but now I'm feeling like maybe that's my color, and then maybe everything else is simple. So I don't think I like these on the mantle either. I think I might, oh, I have these from Walmart that I bought, and I never used them. They're super cute though. They're just like that. So I could. I'm leaving the tag on in case I don't like it. Do that. It's like plain but still simple. Is that cute? Let's see what this looks like if I hang this. Oopsie. The only problem is the stockings still have to fit. Is that good? I like that. I think it's fun. It adds like a little bit of color without being too crazy. So do I keep that there? No.
Do you have another one?
Yeah, I have a bunch of them.
You should probably put one on the other side to even it out.
Well, I was thinking if I do them, I'm gonna do them like all over. Or is it like kind of weird?
I can't tell.
I can't tell either. It's either really great or really bad. You know?
But it's either hit or miss.
I don't know if I like it. We gave it a shot.
We tried. We tried, everyone.
We tried to do something special.
And now they're going. One at a time.
I decided I like it just like this.
Mm-hmm.
It's simple, but it's pretty. I showed you guys in a Christmas haul recently. I picked out some stockings from Home Goods, but they had some fringe on it and I wasn't sure if that was gonna kind of clash with what I had. So I never actually found any other stockings that I really, really loved. These are just ones that we've had for a few years now. They're just from Target a few years ago. I'm just gonna put these up again this year. Maybe next year I'll have a stocking I really love. And then these little stockings, they're so cute. So this one we got for Dude a couple years ago when we went back to get Bandit one. And they're a little bit different this year. They're like a little bit bigger. But they didn't have a D when we were there. So they're a little mismatched, but whatever. I don't think that they'll care too much. Aw, that's cute. I like it. Another couple things I did have that I showed you guys in the haul were these. They match my tree. My mom actually found them for me at Big Lots. And I think they're really cute, so I might just set them in the shelves here, like find a spot for them. But like I said, since I haven't really decorated the shelves exactly how I want them, it might be kind of hard to find a spot, but we'll see. I feel like I need one over there and one over here. Do I just do it like...
And put it up top.
Up top? Or should I put this up top?
In the middle, yeah, center, and then bring that.
Like put this up there?
Maybe put Mary over here.
Oh boy. We'll just see what it looks like.
Here, I got it.
And if anybody knows a way to hide your cable box really good, you just let me know. Oh yeah, and look, this is my little nativity that I bought the other day at Hobby Lobby. I love it. It looks so cute in here. And then that's my little sign that I got from Walmart. Yeah, I feel like the colorful signs they look cute because they sort of tie in this tree. Okay, we got simple and cute. I want to do a little bit more decorating, kind of finish up everything for the most part. I told you guys I wanted to put a wreath in my kitchen. This was the one my mom found for me from Big Lots, and I think I'm gonna do the colorful in the kitchen. Before I knew that she got me that one, I got this gold one. It's beautiful, but it doesn't go with this tree at all. So I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't thinking. But this is my box of stuff. was still gonna find a place for it. Oh, I wonder if this would be cute out. I've had this for years. Look at it, still has the tag on it. But I've actually used it. I think I just tucked it under. Should I put this down here?
Mm-hmm.
That's cute. Hopefully it doesn't catch on fire. This one, I think I'm gonna put this one in my kitchen. This stuff, I might do a little bar cart setup before Joshua's family comes and visits with some of this cute stuff that I got in the past. Oh, I totally forgot about this. I think I got this last year after Christmas and it was on sale, like big time sale. We have to put that on the counter. That's so beautiful. My Christmas towels, should we do those? Or I kind of like the green. This is a really cute little plate that Joshua's mom got me a couple years ago too. So I'm gonna keep that out. And yeah, the rest I might do a little bar cart setup later. And I'll show you guys if I did. But we're gonna have to put up another command hook.
I'm on it.
Ooh, it's dark in here. I'm gonna turn on the light. Okay, so I guess we'll just do it right in the middle. Maybe bring it down a little bit. Yeah, I think if it's right there, that'll be great. Here it goes. I love it. I just gotta cut the tag off. I love it. It's so cute. As much as I like these towels too, they're really, really cute. I think I'm just going to put these ones out because they're more festive. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, maybe a few years ago. And I don't think I've ever actually really used them. Okay, so the last few things, these 3 things right here, I think I'm gonna wait till I actually like clean up the kitchen and stuff because we have like a bunch of stuff sitting around and then I'll be able to kind of find a place for everything. But I think the wreath looks really cute. Okay, and then over here, I really like the way everything looks. So we still have room in case we end up getting a TV before Christmas. But got my nativity. Merry Christmas. My joy sign. I actually still have to take the tag off of that one. But I really like the way this turned out. And then this down here, I don't think I actually showed you guys this in another video. This is the basket that I got from Home Goods and I just put a couple pillows in there, so I think that looks cute over here. And then I got those lanterns from Target recently. And I don't think I ever showed those in a haul because it was just like a very random purchase. And for now, I'm going to leave that tree there. So yeah, I like it. Alright guys, so that is everything that I had to share with you that I was decorating today. Hope you guys liked it, got a little bit of inspiration. So I think the next like house or decor video will probably be my Christmas house tour. And I'll show you guys everything all at once. Everything will be all lit up. It'll be super pretty and whimsical. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll leave links down below for anything if you're looking for it. But hope you guys are having a great day. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you really soon in my next video.